Sobrang hirap sila actually buuhin sa ngayon dahil may possibility na mag-break sila. Ayaw matulad sila dito. As you can see, nabali yung braso niya. Eto namang mga models na to is actually mga mecha nila, and these are models within the macro ship, and they are called VF-1 Valkyrie. So yung VF-1 Valkyrie, meron siya yung jet mode. Obviously, gagawin mo lang tong jet form, etong sang to. Same, almost jet form na siya. And fighter jet form, yun yung una niyang form. Second form is the Jerwalk, which is actually this one. Jerwalk is actually an acronym for Ground Effective Reinforcement of Winged Armament with Locomotive Knee Joint. Sobrang haba kaya tama lang